Hi, my name is Lou. I'm a regular Joe just like you. I like to do this stuff myself, and I'll tell you why. Because there's a lot of things that you can do yourself. And second of all, when you take it to Toyota, they know how to milk you. They know how to suck the money out of you. And something so simple, this will convince you why. So last week, I got a warning, just like you saw the first shot. A warning about the maintenance on the battery cooling parts. And this is so simple. Toyota wanted 200 big bucks. I tell you what, that's a lot of money, right? 200 bucks to repair for something simple that you can do yourself. So, let me take you through what you need to do. There's a couple of reasons why you want to take care of this right away. The warning is about a filter. Actually, there are two filters, one on the right and one on the left. If those filters become clogged, then what's going to happen is that the battery is going to overheat, and then you end up with a $5,000 out-of-pocket expense that you just could have avoided if you would have taken care of right away. So let me explain why this happens. Every time you open the door, dust comes in. And the other thing is that there is a cabin filter. If you do not change that cabin filter frequently, every 10,000 miles, you will have a problem. Dust is going to be circulating the cabin, and therefore, where does it go? It goes in those filters. So, there are two filters. One on the side, on the right-hand side, sorry, and one on the left-hand side. Guess what? It's not going to cost you a penny. There are no parts. It is only maintenance. So, let me show you. So, as you open the door, basically, this filter's right here. One on this side and one on the other side. So this is what you're going to need to do this job. This is the parts or the tools that you're going to need for this job. You're going to need a little vacuum cleaner, a little light. This thing's pull the pegs, screwdrivers, this little things here that has a little fine point. And every so often, if you lose something, you should have a box of pegs. 19 bucks on Amazon. You can get all you want. Okay, so this is so simple. All you need to do is basically put your hand underneath and then pull up. Up, the other one came easy. And there you go. That's the seat. And that's how you pull it up, how you remove it. As you can tell, this is where the battery is for the hydrant. And so this is where we have to remove is this panel right here. If you're like me and you got kids, this is the perfect time to clean this. So you might want to get one of these lamps and trusty vacuum cleaner. And you'll see there's a lot of stuff in there. So take advantage that you have this open. The first thing that you want to do is remove this pegs right here. I already removed 1, 2. I can't be holding the camera in this, and you just basically put this right here, and then just pull it up gently, okay? And then you remove it, tug a little bit, and then you put it right there so you can see it. Okay, there are two things that we need to remove. First of all is the lever. Okay, right about here, right there, you have to put your pick and you push it down, and then we remove this panel. So let me show you first how to remove the handle. Okay, so here we go. We'll pull this up. That's where the headlights come in, so you can see what you're doing. And then you push it in between. There we go. Push it up a little bit and slightly pull out. And there it is. That's how that comes out. So the next thing we're going to do is pull this out. Ha! Easy. See, just pulls out, and that's the bracket. So here's the filter. You can see it's a little bit dirty here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to clean it. Now I already done this before, and it's back again, and this is not very good. So the next step is take a microfiber towel, and you want to go in there as far as you can and just try to pick up as much dirt as possible. Top, bottom, side. And look at that beauty. Look at this, so nice and clean. Okay, the next thing, we're going to clean this. And that's why if you do not take care of this, your battery is going to overheat and you're going to have a mess on your hand. So this is when the vacuum cleaner comes into play. And this is what you do. I do it this way. You can do it from the front, you can do it from the back, but I prefer to do it from the back. And it is, now you can see it, see through, look at that, nice and clean. This is what's going to cost you 200 bucks. Can you believe it? 200 bucks just for this, and you can do it yourself. It's the same process on the other side. So to put this back, all you need to do is line up these two little pegs right there. There's two little inserts, and then just slide it in. Push it down, and then tap it. There it is. And oops, there's the second one, and here's the one that goes here. Now the reason why you want to have extra ones is sometimes it can fall inside here, and that's it. That's it. You can't get it. Once it goes in there, you can't get it. All right, remember this tool right here? Well, here is a reason why you need it. You basically insert here, and it pops out. Okay, but guess what? I lost the other one that goes back there. I don't know where the hell I put it. So, have extras. It will happen. And match, insert, and pop. And you're done. That's why it's a good idea to have a set of those. A whole box of them. Because my biggest problem with mechanics is that they do not put them back. And I know that for a fact. Alright. Okay, so this is the last thing we're going to do is put this sucker in here. I thought I found my peg, but I guess I didn't. Let's look. I know I didn't drop it in here, but anyway, I'll find it someday. And some of the things that you have to be aware is you have to pull this out, okay? Slowly put this in the middle, kind of center it here. Make sure you pull this out, because this is a difficult one right here. If you don't pull that out, you have to do this again. Then same thing with this. I have some covers for my seats, so just to protect them, keep them clean. Yep. Again, this one. There we go. One. Push it in. There it is. So what I would recommend that you do is do this at least, don't let it go off your radar, at least every 5 to maybe 15,000 miles. Now, I found out that there's actually oil made by Mobil. I actually have it in the garage, and you can actually buy 10, 15, or 20,000 mile oil. So I'm going to do another video, and I'm going to show you what a complete tune-up is, including this. And I think this will help you kind of get your car running for a very long time. All right, this is Lou. You take care and good luck, all right?